Alright, I just want to add a little bit more to the while loop. So this video is going to be an extension of the last video. I just want to add some if statements in here. Okay, let me go ahead and add those. If c is less than 3, and we've seen this before, we're going to say c is a small number. Alright. And then we're going to kind of do the same thing over here. If c is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 6, c is a medium number. And then finally, c is greater than 6 is a large number. Okay. And I want to slap in the else if, because I don't want it to evaluate everything. Once it finds one that's true, it's going to skip the rest. We discussed this pretty heavy in a different video. Alright, I'm going to change this to 10. Alright, now let's run this program. One or more projects were compiled with errors. Okay, let's see. I think I need a system.out.println. Right here. See that? C. Okay. Now let's run it. Alright, let's look at the first one. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. If c is 1, then c is a small number. Remember, when it goes through this portion right here, this is 1 now because at first c is 0. We add 1 to c. We print out the value 1. And now is 1 less than 3? This is true. So we're going to print this line out right here, but we skip the rest. This doesn't even get evaluated or processed because it's an else. Alright, let's scroll down to 4. So it cycles through a couple times, and c is, let's say c is 4 right here. It was 3, goes to 4. This becomes false. Now we check this. We check this entire condition. Is 4 greater than or equal to 3 true? Is 4 less than or equal to 6? Yes, this becomes true, so c is a medium number. And then we skip this. It doesn't even get processed or evaluated. And of course, when we get towards the end, the large number gets printed out. Now these get processed, but evaluate to false, and it gets skipped. So towards the end, there's more processing going on because it's checking more numbers. Or at the beginning, it's only checking one condition. You know, when it's 0, when it's 1 and 2, it's only checking twice. Now when it gets to 3, 4, 5, and 6, it's checking this and checking this. So there's more processing by the computer when it gets to those numbers because it's checking more conditions. Yeah, that was it for this video. I just wanted to add on to it and demonstrate that you can add more things into here. I can even add another while loop if I wanted to. I'm not going to do it. Where it can count backwards. You know what? I'm just going to do it. Why not? It should be real quick. C minus minus. So now we have another loop. All it's going to do now, c is 10 at this point as it cycles through. Now we're going to run it backwards. Alright, it's printing all the text here. Then we, right here, where c is 9, we get to this loop right here. 8, 7, 6. And it's just cycling through this loop backwards. And finally we terminate. Okay, so that was 2 examples. And I'll make sure I have the code in the website at the bottom so you can go to those pages and copy and paste. And thank you for watching.